to another video tutorial for Paramics Discovery 22, which is available to download from our website free of charge. So once you've watched this, I would encourage you to do just that. Now, in this video tutorial, we're going to be looking at some of the improvements we've made to vehicle shapes and vehicle types in Paramics Discovery. So to do that, I'll open up the Edit Network tab in this model. And in the Edit Network menu, I'm going to open up my Vehicle Types dialog and also my Vehicle Shapes dialog. Now, most of the changes we've made in this version relating to vehicle types are actually in the Vehicle Shapes dialog here, where you will see a longer list of default vehicle shapes. Now, at the top of that list, we've got our basic shapes, and I'll scroll through them and you can see them appearing. Now, these are all quite simple shapes. They're all shown in red in here, but you can change the color when you bring them into the network. And then below that, we've got several detailed vehicle shapes. Now, these are new. They're a bit more up to date and improved from what we had previously. So it's just to give your model a fresher, more up to date look. Now, we've also introduced the ability to view these. You can see the top, the front, and this rotating view, which is quite fun to play with, of each vehicle shape. So you can see exactly what the vehicle shape is and what you'll be loading into your model. You've also got various properties of the vehicle shapes that you can edit. And for the first time now, we've got a cycle as a default vehicle shape in there, which you can see. Now, as well as this long list of defaults, if you wanted to add in your own vehicle shape, you can do so very easily. So let's say we want to add one in at the bottom. We're going to add in an ambulance. And instead of choosing from the drop-down list, I'm going to use a custom vehicle shape, and it gives me the ability to browse to a 3ds file and load that in. So you can load in any vehicle shape that you want and use that in your model. And again, you can preview that on the right hand side and change the properties in the dialog there. So let's have a look at how the changes in the vehicle shapes dialog then apply through to the vehicle types. So in my vehicle types dialog, I've got a list of my main vehicle types in this model, and when I scroll down to the vehicle shapes section in here, I can see all of the vehicle shapes that are in the vehicle shapes dialog, and choose which ones I want to apply to that vehicle type. So it's very simple to do. You just go to the vehicle type and then select from the drop down which vehicle shapes you want to apply to that type. Now, one of the new features in the vehicle types dialog is the ability to add a cycle vehicle type for the first time in here. So let me do that simply by clicking add, typing in cycle, and then from the base type menu I can scroll down to the cycle vehicle type, which is at the bottom of the list there. And the cycle vehicle type will have its own set of default physical dimensions, and it's also then automatically drawing from the basic cycle type in the vehicle shapes dialog, and you can see that there. And in the vehicle shapes dialog, we can see what that cycle shape looks like. I'm going to close those dialogues and move away from the Edit Network tab and look quickly into the Edit Demand tab. And in the Vehicle Type Proportions section in my demand set, you can see now a cycle vehicle type. So because we've added that cycle type into the Vehicle Types dialog, it's now in our demand matrices. So I hope you found this video tutorial useful, and that these new features in the vehicle shapes and vehicle types dialog will improve your experience of Paramics Discovery, and hopefully you can see from the simulation on the screen now that improved visualization of vehicles within the product. And if you visit our website paramics.co.uk, you can download a free trial of Paramics Discovery 22 right now. Thanks for watching.